Hey guys, it's Noki. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to use this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Instant Eye Palette. I'm sure you guys must have seen a lot of unboxing and swatching video because it's been out for a while. I got this palette maybe 2-3 weeks back. I was in Taiwan at that time. I was so busy every day. I did a little bit of teaching and I met a lot of friends and family stuff. It was Lunar New Year as well, so I really didn't have time filming this. The first thought about this palette, to be honest with you, I wasn't quite impressed because when I saw the color online, I was like, really another star in your eye style palette? But when I received it, I was like, whoa, this one is not so bad because there are a lot of matte colors in this palette. With matte texture, you can enhance your eye in a more subtle way. This time, Charlotte Tilbury, she put in a really strong pink in this palette. It's quite different and quite brave, to be honest. Normally in her eye collection, there are more of a bland, feminine kind of colors. So this kind of matte power pink is quite different. The eyeshadows, they are really high pigmented. The color story I quite like. So today I used this palette doing 5 different eye looks. I try not to use some really obvious combination because I'm sure you guys can figure that out easily. I use some different color combination to create the looks. It's still quite subtle, I have to say, nothing too much, because for this color story you wouldn't imagine to create something really dramatic. So if you're interested, stay tuned. First of all, get a fluffy brush to apply smoke color from Day Trail to sweep the color on the eye socket. Then use a flat brush to apply the enhanced color from Day Trail. Just press the color on and create a boomerang shape start from the end of my eyes. Then use the previous fluffy brush to blend the two colors. To apply the smoke color from Date Eyes, we start from the end of my eyes, press the color on, slightly going towards the middle. Then use another fluffy brush to apply the enhanced color from Dream Eyes. Press the color on the first half of my eyes. Use the flat brush to press the darkest color again. And for the bottom, use the previous flat brush to apply the enhanced color from Day Trail. Then use a black liquid eyeliner. Draw a slightly winged eyeliner. Put on the lashes and we're done. The second eye look, use a pointing brush to apply the smoke color from Dream Eyes. Press the color on my crease, then blend the edge. Use a fluffy brush to apply the enhanced color from Date Eyes. Just sweep on the edge of the pink. Use a flat brush to apply the smoke color from Date Eyes. Just put this darkest color as you are putting eyeliner. Then use a black liquid eyeliner to draw the eyeliner. Put on the lashes and we are done. Use a fluffy brush to apply the prime color from Date Eyes. Sweep the color on bit by bit. Then use a small flat brush to apply the smoke color from Desk Eyes. Press the color on the crease, slightly blend out the edge, and for the bottom, use a pointing brush to apply the enhanced color from Date Eyes. Just put the color on from the inner corner till the end. Then eyeliner again. This time we are doing lower liner. Make sure you fill in the waterline. And we are done. Use a taper brush to apply the prime color from the Desk Eyes. Sweep the color on back and forth, can make the eyes slightly more definition. Then use another fluffy brush to apply the prime color from Dream Eyes. It's also a shimmery pink. Sweep the color on first as a base, then use a small flat brush to dab the color on. On the bottom, we use a tiny pointing brush to apply the enhanced color from Day Eyes. Then use a smoking brush to apply the smoke color from Dream Eyes. On the end of my eyes, upper and lower, make the eyes looking longer. Bring out the pink a little bit more. Then use a fluffy brush to apply the prime color from Day Eyes on the brow bone as a highlight. Then use the black liquid eyeliner, slightly winged eyeliner as always. And we are done. Use a pointing brush to apply the smoke color from Dream Eyes. Set the color on from inner corner till the end. It's as wide as my crease. Make sure to blend the edge. Then use a big fluffy brush to apply the prime color from Desk Trail. Sweep on the edge of the pink. For the bottom, use a small pointing brush to apply the enhanced color from the Date Eyes. Then use a medium-sized fluffy brush to apply the prime color from Date Eyes. Sweep it on brow bone as a highlight. Use the liquid eyeliner again. Draw a thin liner on top. And for the bottom, doing the waterline trick again. And then we're done. Okay, so here are the 5 different eye looks with this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Instant Eye Palette. I don't know about you guys, but me personally quite enjoy using this palette. As I said before, there are a lot of matte colors, mostly pinkish color. You got a little bit of cool tone pink and a little bit of peachy, warm tone and taupey pink, and even a power pink. The only thing is it's still a little bit similar to Star in Your Eyes in my opinion. So if you missed out on 2018's Christmas limited edition palette Star in Your Eyes, also you didn't get the Charlotte Darling eye palette, maybe you can get this one instead. If you prefer shimmery kind of eyeshadow more, then I wouldn't suggest you get this one, because in this 12 shade eye palette you got 8 matte colors. To be honest, matte colors need a little bit of skill to play with. If you're like me, you enjoy using matte colors and you like this kind of pinkish eyeshadow, then you can think about getting this one. I think my favorite color will be the power pink. I haven't seen this kind of strong color in Charlotte Tilbury's palette for a while, and I'm quite happy she put in something different. You can see my eye, this pink wouldn't be too overwhelming. It's not too dramatic. It's still quite Charlotte Tilbury, let me put it this way. Okay, so this is the video for today. I hope you guys enjoy watching it. If you have any question about this palette or you have some different ideas, leave a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe me. I will see you next time. Bye bye!